My watch is not working. I have to find the watchmaker's shop before it gets dark. I think I have forgot the location of the shop. Where should I find it now? Last time I came here with Grandpa, the shop was near here. I think I found it. Let's go inside. Wow, this place is so full of clocks. Hi, I am Woofy.
What do you want to get fixed?
Can you fix my late Grandpa's watch for me?
I will try my best, Woofy. I do know your grandpa. He was my good friend.
I will be very happy if you fix this watch for me.
Don't worry, Woofy. I will do my best. This watch is an antique masterpiece. It will take some days to get fixed. You can leave it here and come back later. Don't be sad, Woofy. It will be all right.
Woofy, you don't have to worry about it. We will do our best.
You can return after for days, Woofy. We have to understand its parts.
This watch has so tiny parts. It is so fascinating.
We are almost done with this. Woofy will be happy to see it.
Woofy will be coming tomorrow.
We have to hurry up. We fixed this watch for you.
Thank you very much, Uncle. This watch is finally working. I am so happy to have this fixed. I miss my grandpa so much. This watch has a compass too. I can go back home easily. I hope my grandpa is watching me. I have to cover a long way to home. I was sad because I thought I might lose your last remembrance, Grandpa. I finally feel relaxed and relieved.